To learn machine learning, we will use the Python programming language in this course. So in order to use Python for machine learning, we need to install it in our computer system with compatible IDE. So in this video, we will learn to install Python, and it's an IDE with the help of Anaconda distribution. Basically, an Anaconda distribution is a free and open source platform for Python and also for R programming language, and it can be easily installed on any of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac. And it provides more than 1500 Python and R data science packages, which are suitable for developing the uh, development of machine learning and deep learning models. And also, Anaconda distribution provides the installation of Python with various IDEs such as Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Anaconda Prompt, and etc. Hence, it is a very convenient packaged solution which you can easily download and install in your computer, and it will automatically install Python and some basic IDEs and libraries with it. So let's start with download the Anaconda Python. Basically, to download Anaconda in your system, first open your favorite browser and type simple download Anaconda Python. Then click on the first link as given in this figure. Alternatively, I can also share the direct link. You can easily find this link. After clicking on the first link, you will reach to download page of Anaconda, and you can see this page. Since Anaconda is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac, hence you can download it as per your operating system type by clicking on available options. So it will provide you Python 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 versions, but the least version is 3.9. So uh, we can also download 3.7 version. After clicking on download option, it will start downloading on your computer. Now step 2 is once the downloading process gets completed, go to download, double click on the .exe file, and uh, that is file's name mostly Anaconda 3 for Windows, for Linux, for etc. It will open a setup like this. This setup window for Anaconda installation. Then click on next. It will open a license agreement. Windows, click on I agree option and move further. Then in the next window you will get two options for installation as given in this figure. So select the first option, means just me, and click on next. Now you will get a Windows for installing location. Here you can leave it as default or change it by browsing a location and then click on next. And now select the second option. You can select both options. I recommend you have to select both options as well. Once the installation gets completed, click on next. Okay, so now installation is completed, and tick the checkbox if you want to learn more about Anaconda and Anaconda Cloud. Click then click on next and finish to end the process. Now step 3 is after successful installation of Anaconda, you have to use Anaconda Navigator to launch a Python IDE such as Spider and Jupyter Notebook. So to open Anaconda Navigator, click on Windows key, then search for Anaconda Navigator and click on it. And then after the opening the Navigator, launch the Spider IDE by clicking on the launch button given below the Spider. It will install the Spider IDE in your system automatically. Then run your Python program in Spider IDE. Like open Spider IDE, it will look like this you can see in your screen. Then start writing your first program, means print hello Python, or you can write your first program and save it using the .py extension. Then run the program using the triangle run button, and you can check the program's output on console panel and at the bottom right side. Finally, close the Spider IDE.